Ruskin Bond says that if it doesn't, I can revert to my mother's family and go back to the time of Timur the Lame. He says, I must go back to my mother's family at the time of a Turkish conqueror who invaded India. How far back does one have to go in order to establish one's Indianness? He says, what should I do to prove that I am an Indian? How far should I go to prove that I am really an Indian? It must be the land itself that holds me. But so many of my fellow Indians have been born and reborn here, and yet they think nothing of leaving the land. He says that this land holds me. I don't know why others are not so much attached, who are born here, reborn here. How come they can think of leaving this land, this country? They will leave the mountains for the plains, the villages for the cities, their country for another country. And if other countries were a little more willing to open their doors, we have no population problem. Mass emigration would have solved it. It says that they want to go after more. They want to leave mountains for plains, villages for the cities, their country for another country. And if other countries had opened up their doors, if it had been easy to go abroad and settle abroad, India would never had a problem of population, because most of the Indians want to settle abroad. But it's more than the land that holds me. For India is more than a land. India is an atmosphere. Over thousands of years, the races and religions of the world have mingled here and produced that unique, indefinable phenomena. The Indian, so terrifying in a crowd, so beautiful in himself. He says that India is more than a land, because India is an atmosphere. There are thousands of races, religions mixed up who live here, and they become an Indian. So terrifying in a crowd, so beautiful in himself. An Indian is recognized among the crowd everywhere. And oddly enough, I am one too. I know that I am as Indian as the postman or the panwala or your favorite movie star. Race did not make me an Indian, but history did. And in the long run, it's history that counts. He says that I am an Indian too. I am that much an Indian as a simple postman or panwala. I'm equivalent to them, or a favorite movie star. Race, as a Nordic, I'm not an Indian, but history has made me an Indian. And forever I'll be known as an Indian, he says.